Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to change your Alipay account number or email address. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to click on account right here. Click on the setting icon from the top corner. Click on that. Click on account and security. Go ahead and click on mobile number. Go ahead and click on change mobile number. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to change your country code. Select your country from the drop-down options right here. So these are available countries that Alipay has supported. Go ahead and select your country right here. Having selected your country, enter your current Alipay account number right here. Go ahead and click on Get Verification Code. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the Alipay account number. Once you enter your Alipay account number, go ahead and click on Get Verification Code. A code will be sent to your current Alipay account number. Enter the code to validate. Then you'll be asked to enter a new Alipay account number, and you are done. The same process you can use to change your Alipay email address. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.